The Trigger Man, where we play no games and we got good aim. Welcome to the channel and thank you for watching. The Trigger Man.
What up, what up? Boy, Trigger Man back in the lab. And today, what we have here, we have this, is it Kia or Hyundai? Hyundai something, paint code Y2E. Gonna be putting that through this here A&I skull. Stay tuned.
All right. Let's get to it. Trying out this new skull, A&I skull. These damn bar instead of PSI. Man, this stuff's so damn confusing.
Ain't that confusing, Trigger?
It was 2.3 bar.
Simple mathematics. Come on, Trigger. Don't know where you went to high school, brother, but this is simple mathematics, brother. Come on, Trigger.
Put down the base. As you all know, I need coverage my first coat. And then I noticed Prepper set me up. It looks like he sprayed some kind of primer. It had rough texture in the primer and it didn't sand it down all the way. And I rubbed this thing, I felt it, and I still missed it. But you see right there, it's like real rough. So I take some 800 with grease and wax remover. As soon as I start sanding it down, you can see like that texture just coming up right through there. And, yeah, man. Let me know if you guys, well, yeah, y'all done came across it. So, but yeah, let me know down in the comments. See all that texture there? How you see like the gray and the red like bubbles, that's all texture. Orange peeled primer that wasn't sanded properly. So what better time to sand it than in the spray booth? When it's almost 100 degrees in here, what better time? A lot of times what I do is have the prepper come in here and fix it so you can see how hot it is in there. Because being out in the shop around the fans is like air conditioned compared to sitting inside the spray booth. This sucker is hot. But yeah, so sand it right on out with some 800. And I should have tacked it. That was like that cloth I wiped it with has a lot of lint in it, and yeah, I didn't even realize I didn't tack it. So please forgive me for that, guys. Definitely should have tacked that off. But surprisingly, that sucker came out clean. I mean, super clean. Clean like the hair on my head.
Trigger, what you talking about hair on your head, man? You goddamn big bald head. Man, you look like you ain't had hair in goddamn 20 years, man. Man, cut out the little jokes, man. You ain't funny, dude. If you want to do stand-up, go do stand-up, brother. But come on, man. We tuned in for painting, man, not jokes, brother.
HVLP cap that comes on it. I think it was a 14-inch cap. 14-inch pattern, sorry. I'm going with my top coat now, the candy, you know, the mid coat, transparent, colored candy-like stuff, you know. But yeah, going with this here, back to back, good overlap, about 70% overlap. These red 3 stages, I see a lot of guys are kind of, I don't know, scared, not scared, but yeah, they kind of fear them a little bit, especially like the Mazda 46V. Yeah, there's nothing to it, man. Just get in there and go to spraying, man. When you stop and think too much, it'll mess you up every time. As you see, I go straight with this all the way through. Like I didn't stop. I didn't go give a flash. I mean, I just went back to back with it. And you'll see the end results. Stay until the end, watch the end, and it's fine, And I just sprayed this sucker until the clip was empty. 100 rounds, all back to back, up and down, a little further each time. See, I went out a little further that time. Just each coat, bring it back a little further. Still never go all the way into the end, because that's when you're tiptoeing around mismatched territory. But yeah, going all the way down. Went down with it, came back up with it, now going back down with it again. And all it's doing is just adding that color, darkening that color each time. So I would have to say that is equivalent to 3 coats. If I went 1 coat, flash, 2nd coat, flash, I mean, that's what that would have equal to. 3 coats of the red mid coat. Then I let that sit up for a good 15 minutes. Again, I go heavy. I go heavy with my material, so I do allow proper flash time. That was a good 15 minutes I gave that. And I'm spraying with a slow base reducer. Definitely a slow. 15 minutes flash time. Good final tack. Actually, this is the only time I tacked it. I should have tacked it when I wiped it off after I sanded it, but yeah, that was it. And this is the 1.3 clear cap that's on the A&I skull. Yeah, pretty wide pattern. I believe the HVLP cap gives a 14-inch pattern. As far as my measurements, 8 inches off the panel. The HVLP gave 14-inch pattern, and this clear cap that I'm using here gave a 13-inch spray pattern. And it was even, wasn't broken up, was an even pattern. Gun spray is really nice. Atomizers, very good. Little on the slower end, but it's very nice gun. Spray's good. It'll get the job done, as you'll see.
Trigger man, get your big face out of the way, man. I see you got your door handles out, Trigger man. Got the mirror off. Oh, brother, you making me proud on this one, brother. I'm not gonna unsubscribe off of this one, man. This is what I'm talking about. Door handles out. Got your mirror off. You got your spray suit on. Man, you're a real certified painter in this video. I can't say much about the rest, but this video here, man, Trigger, you're doing like a real professional, bro. I'm proud of you, brother. I'm very proud of you, Trigger, man. You're a damn good painter, man. I know I talk a lot of junk, but when it comes down to it, man, you know your stuff, Trigger. Good job, brother. You got that sucker slick. Sucker's about as slick as your bald head, man. But just for the hell of it, Trigger, unsubscribe.
Okay, going here with my second coat of clear. 90% overlap, going pretty heavy. I'm going heavy. Everybody want glass, so I gotta give it. It really wasn't my thing, but you guys brought it out of me. They wanted it. They said Trigger couldn't do it. Trigger trying to get us to paint orange peel. He must be can't spray no glass. So they brought it out. Yeah, so 2.3 bar. I think earlier I said 23 bar. 2.3 bar. And I know I Googled that to translate to what it is in PSI, but 2.3 bar. And actually, I took the door handles out and the mirror off on this job myself with my tools I bought. I told you guys in the last video, I bought some tools and I'm going to try to start. So this was an easy one. So I did it. So I'm trying, man. But yeah, look at that thing, man. Beautiful 3-stage. Red, pearl, candy, whatever you want to call it. Like some red licorice.
Now, Trigger, I don't know about no licorice, brother, but thing look good. Thing looks good, Trigger.
All right. Got it done. Well, this Y2E, this is my first time spraying this color here. I don't know if it's a new color with Hyundai or what, but yeah, it's a nice little color. 3-stage. Yeah, very nice little color. Very nice. But yeah, so the A&I score, first day with it, got it early this morning. Painted Kia, now this Hyundai with it, second job. Put a decent gun. Yeah, Trigger Man stamp and approve. Trigger Man, I like it. Trigger Man like it. Truth of the matter though is, man, you can get this here with most of them high-end guns, you know what I'm saying? Decent guns. The LPH, Iwata, Segola, you just gotta know your material, know your clear coat. Like I said in the previous video, don't go chasing different clear coats. All these clear coats is different, man. You can lay down any clear. It could be $99.99 clear, $100 clear. You can lay it down like glass. How long it's gonna last is a different question. But if you chasing that flat finish, you can get that with any clear, man. I don't care what it is, You just gotta dial it in. Whether it be temperature, slow, activator, fast, medium, reducer, fast, slow, no reducer, temperature, settings on the gun. Just dial in your material and you'll get it, Don't go chasing all them different clears and stuff, man. I've been spraying with the same clear for 10 years. I could come in here blindfolded, man, and spray that clear without a run. You believe that if you want to. But it's your boy Trigger Man, signing off. Catch you in the next one. Bye.